What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a product review and install video for you. It's gonna be some lighting, some tail lights for the 5th gen 4Runner like I have behind me here. This is Helga. I've partnered with a company called Archaic lighting, and they've sent me over some of their products for the 4Runner. Some really cool tail lights that we have to install on the 4Runner today. These tail lights have startup animations, sequential animations for turn signals, and of course they're fully LED. So here they are, right there, all nice and wrapped. As you can see, they have a really nice modern design. Again, these are fully LED units, and the coolest thing I think is when you actually look back here. Now, I'll have a link to all of the Archaic website pages and necessary information for these products and more products that they offer in the description of this video. But if you look here behind on the back of this light, it does look like it's nice and weather sealed. And if you look here, they have these resistors here that look like they're already wired in fully to the turn signal harness. So there's not going to be any concern of having hyper flash issues. It looks like it's going to be a very simple installation. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so we're going to be starting the installation here with a generic pry tool, nothing special about this thing, and we're going to be doing the passenger side first, and then we're going to compare it with the driver side with the stock tail light. But when you go to remove this panel here that's behind the tail light, you see there's a little notch here. So this is inside the back side of the tail light. There are two 10mm bolts. That is one of the 10mm bolts, and the other one is right up there. You can see on the top right corner. And then you're gonna want to unplug the connectors, and then that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna wiggle the assembly out. Alrighty guys, so I've gotten one of the 10mm nuts off already. The second one, I'm just going to continue to spin with my hand, and the second one is off. Here we go. So we have the two 10mm nuts off. You just wiggle it like this a little bit to get it off, and then I'm going to finish disconnecting the harnesses, and we'll be ready for the taillight install. There were several of the plastic pop holes. Don't force anything too much, but a little bit of force was necessary to get all these clips out. This is the factory taillight. This is the Archaic lighting full LED taillight. I'll give you guys a better comparison once this one is fully installed on the car. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so the Archaic taillight is set into its position kind of most of the way. I have to tighten down the nuts on the back, get it squeezed up nice and tight, properly sealed, and I wanted to show you guys the connection. Like I said, the wiring harness was pretty much all wired together, so this right here is the only wiring connection that appears you need to make. And I have the resistor tucked in here as well. You basically just feed the connector and the resistor through the hole that you'll see behind the tail light. Let's go start her up. For reference, this is the factory tail light. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the driver's side taillight in here, so that way we can have both taillights to compare and really enjoy the full experience brought to us by Archaic lighting. Here we go. If you guys enjoyed this video, click the like button and comment down below and let Archaic know, one, how cool their tail lights look for the 4Runner, and two, let them know how good Helga would look with a matching pair of their headlights. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can